today we will be making a really simple and easy patriotic wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a wreath ring, and this is 14 inches. I have red, white, and blue deco mesh. I have some chenille stems. You could definitely use whatever color you'd like. I know sometimes they have like glitter sparkly ones. Also scissors and a rotary cutter. Now, the amount of deco mesh is going to depend on how much is on your roll. Now, I just recently noticed, so the Dollar Tree deco mesh used to come in 5 yards, but they've decreased it to 4 yards. So be mindful of that. I don't know if it's all Dollar Trees or just the ones around me, but they have decreased the amount of deco mesh in each roll. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so next we're going to take the red, white, and blue deco mesh and we're going to cut them into 8-inch long pieces. Alright. And we're just going to cut 8-inch long pieces. Here. So, looks like I'm going to be using 2 rolls of red, 2 rolls of white, and 2 rolls of blue with the deco mesh that's 4 yards in length. If you do have the 5-yard deco mesh, you will not need 2 complete rolls. Cutting them into 8-inch long pieces, I will have 36 pieces. So, once you do have the deco mesh cut, we're going to make our bundles before we start placing them on the ring. And I like to mix it up a little bit. So you have the red, white, and blue. First, I'm going to roll the red, just making it a tighter roll. Roll the white at a diagonal. Just like that. And then I'm going to roll the blue just in a normal little curl. Just like that. And scrunch it together. Take your chenille stem and twist it in place. Just like this. And when I make these bundles, I'm going to alternate which color I make the center and which color has the point. So since white has the point on this one, the next one I'm going to make, I guess the red. I'm going to have the red with the point. So I'll just roll the white. Going to roll the red at a diagonal, and that way I don't have all of the same color sticking out. I kind of have a little bit of everything all over the place, and it'll look very fun. And then roll the blue. Just like that. Scrunch it together. Take a chenille stem and twist it. Just like that. So you see that one is different from this one. And one more. And this time it is time to make the blue our point. So put the red on the bottom. Roll, roll, roll. Blue is the center and we're rolling it at a diagonal. And then the white. Roll, roll, roll. Just like that. Again, take your chenille stem and twist it. And this is just really simple and easy to do. Again, you could add more colors if you'd like, but I just wanted to stick with the red, white, and blue. There is some deco mesh that is striped that you could add if you wanted to. But as you can see, I have the red, the white, and the blue. And alternating the colors that I make pointy just helps it to just flow together better, in my opinion. But, I mean, you can do whatever you choose. So I'm just going to make more like this. And then I will come back and we will place them all on the ring. Alright, so I have all the deco mesh in bundles. I have a total of 36 bundles. 1 strip of red, white, and blue in each bundle. And again, I alternated which color I made pointy, but you could definitely make them all pointy. You can make them all curly, whatever you prefer. It's completely up to you. Now it's time to get these bundles on the wreath ring. So I have my ring, and I'm going to take the first bundle, place it on the inner 2 rings. So see just the inner 2 rings. And then I'm going to twist it. Just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to place the next one. And do the exact same thing. So enter 2 rings. Place it down. And twist it. And then adjust it. And like I said, I try to alternate which color I have pointy right beside each other, just because I think it's just gonna look so cute. And another. And this is pretty much all that you do all the way around the ring. Very simple, quick and easy. And you see, the more you get, the more fun it's gonna look. Alright, so this is what one section is looking like. And what I mean by section, as you can see, this wreath is separated into 6 different sections. So one section like this with 6 bundles looks like this, and it's so cute and poofy already. So I'm going to get the other sections complete and I will show you the finished product. Oh, this is what the back is looking like. So I just leave them like this until I completely finish the entire ring, and then I will take care of them by lying them all down together and twisting them all together so that they're tucked away and out of your way. So, 2 sections complete. So cute and patriotic. So when it's finally all done, I'm just going around and adjusting it, fluffing it up, making sure none of the Chanel stems are showing. It looks so cute and poofy and patriotic and just so adorable. Again, I only went with red, white, and blue, and I alternated the spiked Deco mesh, but you can definitely keep them all curled or spike them all. Just have fun with it and make it your own. You could definitely add a center as well, but for this specific one, I think it just looks so adorable by itself, so I'm going to leave it like this. Last thing we have to do is get rid of all of these crazy wild Chanel stems. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist it down and just gather more Chanel stems as I go around and twist them all down. In no specific way. I just want them kind of out of the way and not poking or scratching anything. So just like that, and all the way till I come to my starting point. And there, now it looks much neater and it's all tucked away and it's not going to scratch anyone. And this is what it looks like. So cute and adorable. Simple and easy to do. And all items were purchased at Dollar Tree. We're all done.